Hi gang, we're out here in the shop and we're getting ready to go to Florida to go boar hunting again. And we're supposed to have a couple of days of rain while we're down there, so that'll add to the fun, won't it? Anyway, wish us luck. We'll see you when we get there.
That gate behind you so the cows don't get out. Hang your world on a fence post, you're in a different world now. No need to lock your pickup, no bad boys come around. They know they'd never make it out, this is Brad's sacred ground. Throw your bag on the bunk, put your bottle on the shelf, pick up your bow and arrow and get out there to yourself. Let that sweet palmetto wind unwind your twisted mind. Snakes don't get you and the hog don't eat you. We'll see you around supper time. It's another perfect day.
Did you kill him? I can't tell. My ear's ringing.
Are you on him?
Yeah, I was on him. Oh, my ear.
Wasn't quiet.
Oh, my. I just knew.
Yeah.
Looks like an older one.
Way to go, Lake.
I could have swore I hit that thing.
Lake, you just hammered one. That was awesome. Oh man, I couldn't hardly get video because we were sitting in that blind and I couldn't.
That blind has the smallest hole for
I know
shooting.
It's hard to see, and he's got one hole to shoot through, and I was just holding my camera. I have no idea if I even had the hogs in there. Woohoo!
And this time you remembered the camera.
Yeah, no kidding. Alrighty, we'll get this thing out of here and get some pictures. All right. Yeehaw! What you got there, Lake?
Pig.
Huh?
Pig.
You got a nice pig, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
You got it with your new rifle too.
Yep.
What is that gun?
243.
All right. Good shot. He hit it perfect right behind the shoulder. Yeehaw. Is it another perfect day?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
Lazy Rockin' Egg. spot. He died right on the spot. I saw that one and I was like, that one's big.
You go look at Lake's hog. Can you drag him out of there? Yeah, I'll take your gun.
It's a sow.
Is it? Bring it down this way. This way, buddy. Bring his feet this way. Good job. Oh, it's a flat belly. That's great. Look at that. Perfect shot. Very cool. Dropped it right in its tracks.
This is exactly where she was standing, but she just turned and laid down under there.
Oh. That's hog number 3?
For me, 4.
No, oh yeah, that's number 4. Alrighty, we were at the hog pen, weren't we?
Yep.
That's the name of the tree we were in. That's what they call it. What happened when you shot it?
Just laid right down where I shot it.
Just flopped over, huh?
Uh-huh.
Great shot. He put that shot exactly where it should be. Look here.
I'm hungry. Can we skin it?
It's another perfect day on the lazy rockin' A. There's a devil coiled up by the cypress stump while the angels sing in the breeze. Nobody's gonna know who took your soul underneath those live oak trees. There's a full moon on the rise, gonna raid them fields tonight. Gonna grab our gear and load our guns and saddle up and ride. It's another perfect day on the lazy rockin' A. It's another perfect day on the lazy rockin' A.